Running a local service industry in the digital age is a challenging endeavor. Gone are the days of the yellow pages, word of mouth, and friendly recommendations. Instead, you're fighting for your business. While it's true in many industries, it's pretty critical in the roofing world. If you run a roofing business, you've probably felt it already. You search for roof repair in your city and see page after page of other roofers. Some are local, some are big brands, some don't even look that good, yet they're showing up before you. That can feel frustrating. You do solid work, you treat customers well. Still, online visibility seems hard to secure. And this isn't just a gut feeling. Statistics for the roofing industry show that competition is growing every year, especially in local search results. More companies are fighting for the same calls, the same neighborhoods, and the same urgent jobs. This is where SEO comes in. Not as a buzzword, not as some tech-heavy mystery, just a practical way to help people nearby find your business when they need help with their roof. Let's walk through how this works step by step in plain language. We'll be discussing roofing specifically in this article, but the ideas and suggestions apply to all service industries seeking local reach. Why SEO matters so much for roofers. Most roofing jobs start the same way. A homeowner notices a leak, a few shingles on the ground, or damage after a storm. Their first move is almost always the same. They grab their phone and search for help nearby. At that moment, they aren't browsing for fun. They want a solution, and they want it fast. People rarely scroll through endless results. They usually click one of the first options they see and make a call. If your business doesn't show up there, the opportunity goes straight to someone else. This is precisely why SEO matters. It helps your website appear when people search for roofing services in your area, which leads to calls from homeowners who are already in need of what you offer. Paid ads can support that effort, and many roofing SEO services include them as part of a wider plan. The difference is that ads disappear the second the budget runs out. SEO keeps working in the background. Over time, it generates a steady flow of leads, rather than short spikes, resulting in more predictable business growth. How homeowners search for roofing help. People don't search like experts. They search like regular folks. They type things like, roof repair near me, emergency roofer, leaking roof fix, roof replacement cost. Each search tells you something about what they need. Someone searching roof leak repair now wants help fast. Someone searching metal roof versus shingles is still learning. Both searches matter. They just need different pages. When your site matches what people are actually looking for, Google is more likely to show your business. Local searches are your biggest win. Roofing is local by nature. No one hires a roofer from far away. That's good news. It means you don't need to beat everyone on the internet. You only need to stand out in your service area. Local SEO focuses on searches tied to a place. This includes map results and regular listings with city names. If you get this part right, you can compete with much larger companies. Getting your Google business profile right. Your Google business profile is often the first thing people see. Sometimes they never even reach your website. This profile requires clear and honest information. Your business name should match what you use everywhere else. Same phone number, same address. Your description should explain what you do in everyday language. Talk about roof repair, replacements, inspections, and storm damage. Write it for people, not search engines. Photos help more than many owners expect. Real photos of your team and your work build trust fast. Reviews matter too. People read them. Google pays attention to them. Ask happy customers to leave feedback. Please keep it simple. A brief message or follow-up email is compelling. Keywords without the headache. Keywords sound technical. They're simple. A keyword is just the phrase someone types into Google. Your job is to use the exact words your customers use. Think about your services: roof repair, roof replacement, flat roofs, metal roofing, storm damage. Now add your city or nearby areas. Those phrases belong on your site naturally. On service pages, in headings, in page titles, you're not stuffing words everywhere. You're just being clear about what you do and where you do it. Long phrases bring better leads. Short searches like roofer can be challenging. Big companies chase those. Longer searches are easier and often lead to better calls. Think emergency roof repair in city or flat roof replacement cost city. These searches show clear intent. the person is closer to calling. Ranking for several of these brings steady work. Service pages that actually convert. Each leading service deserves its own page. A roof repair page should focus solely on roof repair. A replacement page should focus on replacements. Start by explaining the problem in simple terms, then explain how you help. Mention what makes your approach reliable. Add photos if you can. End with a clear next step. Call, request a quote, schedule an inspection. Keep it clear, keep it human. Location pages, without sounding repetitive. If you serve multiple cities, location pages are helpful. The key is keeping them natural. Each page should mention local details, weather patterns, common roofing issues in that area, nearby landmarks. Avoid copying the same page and swapping city names. That feels off to readers and search engines. Write each one like you're talking to a homeowner in that town. Trust makes a real difference. Roofing jobs or any other service job usually cost a lot more than people expect, so trust plays a big role before anyone picks up the phone. When someone lands on your site, they're quietly asking themselves one thing: can I trust these people with my house? Your website should convey that without needing to say it out loud. This is where proof matters. Showing your licenses, insurance, certifications, and the length of your business experience helps alleviate those concerns immediately. Real photos of your work go even further. Before and after shots help people see the quality for themselves, and short quotes from past customers add a human touch. All of this works together to make visitors feel safe enough to reach out instead of backing out. Content that builds confidence. Blog posts aren't just there to fill space on your site. They help answer the questions people are already typing into Google. Things like the typical cost of a roof replacement, how to identify early signs of damage, or what to do after a storm. When someone reads a helpful article on your site, they begin to see you as someone they can trust, someone who understands. That trust carries over when they click through to your service pages. Using real examples from jobs you've done makes this even stronger. Talk about problems you've fixed, tricky situations you've handled, and lessons you've picked up along the way. That real-world experience shows through and helps people feel more confident choosing you. Simple technical fixes that help. Behind the scenes, a few key factors can make a significant difference. Your site should load quickly, especially on mobile devices, since many roofing searches occur in a rush. If a page takes too long to open, people leave before they even read a word. Images should appear clean without being overly large. Clear, high-quality photos that load quickly keep visitors engaged. Your pages should link to each other in a way that feels natural and intuitive. For example, a post about roof leaks should point readers to your roof repair page. That makes it easier for people to find help and helps search engines understand how your site fits together. A clean structure keeps everything moving smoothly. Links still matter. Outbound links and backlinks are critical. These are mentions of your business on other websites, as well as mentions of other reputable partners on yours. They help show that your company is honest and connected to the local area. These inbound links and outbound links from nearby news sites, supplier pages, contractor groups, or community organizations tend to carry the most weight. One good local mention often helps more than dozens of random ones. A link from a roofing supplier you work with or a local business group adds credibility. On the other hand, less than reputable links often lead to problems. Cheap shortcuts may look tempting, but they frequently cause more harm than good over time. Competing with big brands. Big roofing companies often rely on broad, generic pages that try to appeal to everyone. This gives local businesses an opening. You can be more specific, more personal, and more relevant to your area. As Maria Harutunian, the founder of MSP SEO Agency, pointed out, local companies don't need to sound big to compete. They win by sounding real, talking about real jobs, and showing they know the area better than anyone else. That local detail is often what makes homeowners choose one roofer over another. Talk about local weather patterns, common roof issues in your city, and rules homeowners need to know about. Share real projects you've completed nearby. Reviews are also helpful here. Large brands can often feel distant, while local companies tend to feel familiar and approachable. That personal feel works online just like it does in real life. Tracking what works. You don't need complex tools to know if your SEO efforts are paying off. Start by paying attention to what matters most: phone calls, contact form messages, and quote requests. Identify the pages that generate the most leads and allocate your time to improving them. Minor tweaks can lead to better results over time. SEO doesn't work overnight, but steady progress accumulates over time. The longer you persist, the more consistent your results become. Common mistakes to avoid. One common issue is trying to squeeze everything onto a single page. That makes it harder for search engines and visitors to understand what you offer. Skipping local details is another big one. People want to know you serve their area. Ignoring your Google business profile can cost you easy visibility, and low-quality links can do more harm than good. Keeping things simple, honest, and focused on real customers tends to work best over the long run. Bringing it all together, SEO isn't about tricks or shortcuts. It's about being clear and helpful. You solve roofing problems every day, and your website should reflect that. When your pages match what people are searching for, Google connects your business with the right audience. That leads to calls from people who already need help. Crowded markets don't close doors. They just reward businesses that show up clearly and consistently. If you're looking for SEO support to dominate your local market, contact Aspiration Marketing. Learn how to grow your business and scale your services.